They are so good. Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Sherlina and I'm back with a new video. Today I am in my kitchen, and I'm actually not in my kitchen to show you guys some sneakers or some clothes. Today we are doing something in the kitchen, and that is baking cookies. And I know it's a very hard time right now. We're on like day 6, 7, 8 of isolation. I lost count. We're staying in. We want to be healthy. I hope you're doing the same, guys. And yeah, I'm actually here to keep you guys away from all the news, from all the madness that is going on. So I was thinking, let's bake some cookies. And I actually put them up on my Insta story the other day, and loads of you guys wanted to have a recipe for it. So I was thinking, actually, let me shoot a video for it. I'm still in my pajama. This is like my daily wear. I want to be comfortable. Today we are baking white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. I am loving the ones from Subway. At this particular time, we can get into Subway. I mean, it's still open, but I just prefer to not go into any restaurants at the moment. But I was thinking, I need to eat them now. I want to have them now, and it was a fight to even get flour. But yeah, let me not talk too much. Let's get straight to the video. What we need to bake these white chocolate macadamia nut cookies is flour. You also need some light brown sugar. We also need some granulated sugar, a little bit of baking soda, some vanilla extract, some white chocolate chips. Then we also had some macadamia nuts. I actually chopped these macadamia nuts up. I bought them in halves, but they were still a bit too big for these cookies. And we need an egg. You all know what an egg looks like. And we also need some butter. And beside of that, you only need a sprinkle of salt. So before we mix all of the ingredients together, we have to preheat our oven. And I'm doing this now. So I'm putting it on the fan setting and on 180 degrees for everyone in the UK. I'm gonna write down how it is for the people in the US. To mix everything together, you need a bowl, of course, and you need a mixer. It's time for a KitchenAid, I know, but for now, we move with what we have. So the oven is preheating, and we're starting with the dough now and mix it in the butter and the sugar. We also need the brown sugar. And now it's actually time for the egg. I also have like 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I love me some vanilla. And now we're adding some baking soda, flour. And with everything sweet, you also need a sprinkle of salt for the perfect taste. And now it's time to finally put in the macadamia nuts and also the white chocolate. And when the cookie dough has this consistency, then you know it is time to form the balls and create some nice cookies. Now we need to roll the balls for the cookies, and yes, they flatten themselves, so you don't need to worry about that. Hands are clean, ready to touch the dough. To make this a little bit easier, I'm using 2 spoons. One to just, get a little scoop and then place it onto here. Yeah, that just makes it easier, and they roughly all have the same size. And now that everything is evenly placed, obviously I cannot just put in an oven like that. We need to roll them nicely, like a little ball. And give them a little bit of space, because you know you want them to spread. With this dough, it obviously depends on how you roll them out. I have 16 cookies. I'm sure you can even get 20 out of them if you make them a bit smaller. I like mine medium sized, and now it's time to finally put them in the oven. Only 10 minutes and then they're done. Because what I can guarantee you guys with these cookies is that they are crispy on the outside, but chewy on the inside. And that's what we love. so it's time to take them out. Wow, they are looking amazing. When you actually take them out of the oven, they're gonna be very soft. So you would probably think they're not done yet, because if I touch it now, it is very soft in the middle, because like I said, the middle gonna be chewy and the outside is crispy. So now it's time to let them cool off. We don't want to take them off the tray when they're hot, because they will be sticking to it. So just give these a rest and do not be greedy and touch them in the middle, because I always have to tell Patrick, don't touch the cookies, don't touch them. Because he'd be like, let me just see if they're a bit poisoned or something. Let's focus on these. I must admit, I broke one already because I just needed to see how they look from the inside. I haven't tasted them yet, which I'm gonna do now. I approximately waited for 20 minutes for them to cool off, because I still like them warm, but just not hot. Let me actually taste them now. They're with a full mouth, but they are so good. They come pretty close to the Subway ones. I'm actually happy that summer 2020 has been postponed, because while I'm being in isolation, yeah, you can imagine how many cookies I'm gonna eat. And that was it, guys. That was today's video. These were the nicest white chocolate macadamia nut cookies ever. But let me know in the comments if you would actually like to see more cooking or baking videos, because I'm actually quite into it. I just don't really show it. And then obviously I'm gonna write down the recipe in the description box, so make sure to get yourself in the kitchen, especially at these times, and bake them as well. And then I can only say, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.